Welcome back to the weekly recap of English news from Italy and Friuli Venezia Giulia. We begin with the world news. Shockwaves from Caracas, heard on the streets of New York.
Reports of U.S. strikes and the alleged capture of Venezuela's president have sent shockwaves across the globe and sparked mixed reactions on the streets of New York, where Maduro is reportedly being held, as the world awaits to see what comes next.
The U.S. is taking over Venezuela. What do you think? Good idea, bad idea?
I don't know enough.
Where are you from? What do you think?
I'm from Argentina, and I think that is necessary because we in Argentina we had in the past dictators, and it's really hard. Nobody knows, what happened really, except when you live with dictators. Sometimes it's necessary, to help another country. I live here in United States, but I think that is necessary.
I feel like there's a lot of nuance to the situation. There is a lot of bad happening in Venezuela. I have a lot of friends that I knew who were from Venezuela, a lot of people I knew. I feel like we can't just say it's a good thing to just invade countries all willy-nilly.
I believe the capture of Nicolás Maduro is very good news. Maduro was an authoritarian leader and a drug trafficker. And this wasn't an attack against Venezuela. It was an action against his criminal regime, where no civilians died during the operation.
America, Europe, and the race for the Arctic.
Greenland is in the spotlight once again as U.S. cites its strategic importance while European leaders stress it belongs to its people. What do you think about it?
If it helps us as a whole and we do it peacefully, I don't think helping Americans is bad either. So I honestly agree with most of the outcomes that Trump does. I think he could just handle it a lot better with the logistics and how he goes about it. But listen, if it helps Americans, I'm all for it.
About Greenland.
I don't know that they're so recent. I think they've been going on for a few years now, ever since Trump has been in office. But I'm completely opposed to American imperialism. I think that the more worldly that we can become, the more that we can embrace how our diversity makes us a stronger country.
Discovering Friuli Venezia Giulia, from Denver to the Adriatic coast.
A crowd of travel enthusiasts gathered in Denver to celebrate the winter 2026 edition of Trieste magazine, discovering the beauty of Friuli Venezia Giulia for the first time. From homesick Tristini to new homeowners in Muccia, the evening highlighted a growing American connection to Italy's Adriatic coast.
When you move, your heart splits in, two pieces, and what I miss about home is definitely the sea, sitting on Mola Audace for sunset. It's something that you can't, replicate anywhere else. I miss my friends, obviously, and family. The shopping at Mirella, because who doesn't love that? I love her. She's awesome.
Every time I see the magazines and see pictures, it gives me so much joy, and it seems like just a place that I would feel at home. And I really am just excited to experience something that I haven't had the opportunity to experience before.
I've been there a couple of times. It's absolutely beautiful. The people are wonderful. Great weather. We stayed right on the ocean. Absolutely beautiful. The food was fantastic, and highly recommend people take time to go to Trieste. It was great.
Thousands of aspiring doctors, but not enough seats. Italy's medical admissions in flux.
Italy's new medical school admission system has left many university seats unfilled. In Trieste, only 134 students qualified for 210 medical places, while just 5 were admitted to dentistry. Similar gaps were recorded in Udine. The remaining seats will be offered to students who passed at least one exam and must now complete the makeup tests in February.
Strong start for the ski season in Friuli Venezia Giulia, despite low snowfall.
Even with little snow, the ski season has started well in Friuli Venezia Giulia. From December 6 to January 6, about 290,000 people visited the region's ski resorts. Holiday travel and man-made snow helped keep the slopes busy.
Winter weather brought citywide school closures in Trieste on Wednesday. All schools in Trieste are closed this Wednesday after the mayor issued an emergency order because of heavy snowfall. The decision affects students of all ages across the city and was taken to protect public safety, as winter weather continues to disrupt travel and city services. Winter sales are here. 3 months of deals as Italy shops smart in a tighter economy. Italy's winter sales run from January 3rd to March 31st as shoppers hunt for bargains in a tight economy. With inflation still squeezing budgets, families are expected to spend about €303, while retailers hope tourism and discounts will keep stores busy.
Less is more, okay, so the less I can. I don't know, maybe a pair of shoes. I don't know if my wife agrees with me, but I even don't know if there are so many special occasions. I mean, I need to check a bit, but the season is just started, so there are plenty of shops here, and we can have a look.
I didn't buy anything until now, so but why not? Should be a good opportunity to visit the shops, the city, and etc.
Principalmente voglio comprare vestiti per l'inverno e vado in giro un po' per i negozi, poi magari controllo lo stesso prodotto in internet, magari costa ancora di meno.
So actually I plan on shopping in Milan because I'm living there. I'm only visiting here and I'm only shopping where I have like already discounts cards, so not like full price. I mean, I'm around €50 something because I'm not so wealthy, I'm a student still, so not much. But still planning to go window shopping or, strolling around.
Trieste Film Festival spotlights Central and Eastern European cinema. From January 16 to 24, Trieste will host the 37th edition of Trieste Film Festival, dedicated to Central and Eastern European cinema, with over 120 events including international features, documentaries, shorts, masterclasses, and meetings with creators.
It's a great edition. We're very, very happy to welcome, some of the most important voices of European contemporary cinema, such as Kirill Serebrennikov, Sergei Loznitsa, and Ildiko Enyedi. And along with these great masters of European cinema, we will have many, many debut films by young filmmakers. So in the end, I think that the main characteristic of the festival is to combine great masters with the new voices of European cinema.
Friuli Venezia Giulia. One ticket, total freedom.
Starting 2026, getting around Friuli Venezia Giulia has become much simpler. A new regional plan has brought buses and trains under one integrated ticket, creating a unified public transport system across the region. The goal has been to lower costs, reduce traffic, and make daily travel easier from Udine to Trieste, Pordenone, Gorizia, and beyond.
Sunshine on the Barcola, but Bora is coming. Many locals are soaking up a sunny Saturday across Friuli Venezia Giulia, before temperatures take a sharp plunge on Saturday.
Today we are just having a fun run here in Barcola, and the weather is beautiful. It's pretty hot for this week. Yesterday it was way colder, so yeah, just fun times.
Very, very good. It's a sunny day and I'm in Barcola with all Triestiners, so very good, thank you.
The weather will be so good. Tomorrow I'm a little bit skiing with my little one.
Today it's a wonderful day, so we can walk on this side.
I am from Friuli Venezia Giulia, so I just turn around here, have a walk to have a wellness, and so that is it. So I'm from Trieste. I live here. I was born 48 years ago here, and I live always here. I love that zone, so that's it.
Nice. I turned 40 yesterday, and we took this opportunity to have a weekend in Trieste. We are from Austria, and we just went to Castle Miramare and took a look around, and now we are heading back in the city center for some pizza, I hope. So let's see.
My weekend is going good. There's a sunny day, so we are enjoying the weather.
and I'm with my grandmother, my boyfriend, and my mother. So I'll spend time with my family. And tomorrow, actually, I'm going to Gorizia.
Trieste and Deborah, strong winds and freezing temperatures ahead.
Trieste is bracing for a blasting winter, with snow, freezing temperatures, and powerful bore winds expected to sweep through the city.
Thank you for watching In Trieste Web TV. We speak your language.